Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your username on Zedge. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username on Zedge, firstly go ahead and launch open your Zedge application. The home page of Zedge application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the displayed options, tap on My Zedge option. On the next page, click on your username. Edit your username and tap on Save. This is how you can change your username on Zedge application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.